Hi everyone, I'm Prakhar Agarwal. I'm a full stack developer and the leader of Team DevFalcons. And the topic for this hackathon that we chose is AI Agent Evaluation and Reliability Engine. So here is a basic walkthrough with our project. First up is a landing page. The UI is kept pixel perfect and user interactive as well. Next up, we'll have a login and sign up page. This page is secured using JSON Web Tokens. Next, we'll be having a dashboard. The UI is kept simple so that user could get used to it pretty easily. On clicking the new audit, you'll be redirected to a page. Here you'll need to you'll need to enter the system prompt. On clicking the analyze and extract tools, our system would generate different tools for your agent. On clicking on Analyze and Extract tools, our system would generate different tools based on the agent you entered. For this, we have used Gemini LLM. When you click on Generate Scenario button, some scenarios would be generated by our LLM. Here, here, once you run the audit, you'll be redirected to our agent testing execution. Here we have used Express Rate Limiter as well as Redis so as to make it scalable. On agent testing page, you'll be able to see live agent and LM interaction based on the agent moving through different scenarios. Once all the scenarios are completed, a scorecard would be generated, which would showcase the agent's reliability and the test cases that he has passed and failed. On moving forward, you will be having a self-healing agent which would help you enhancing the prompt and help it help the agent moving through different cases pretty well. Let's dive straight into our project now. First up, we have a landing page. It is made pixel perfect and user interactivity is also kept in mind while making this project. So this is our login page. For a walkthrough, we'll create a new account. So this is our dashboard. The UI is made completely easy for a user to interact with. On clicking the new agent audit, you'll you'll need to give the prompt of your AI agent. So here I have a weak AI agent which I'll be keeping using to test this. On clicking Analyze and Extract tools, you'll be redirected here. Here you could give custom safety rules as well, and you could like name your agent, give it a domain like I have a finance agent, so I'll give it a finance domain. Here are some tools that are made by our agent, while you could also add your tools here which would help in testing. On clicking on confirm, now here our scenarios would be generated. So our AI has audited 5 scenarios here. On clicking run audit suits, now this is a sandbox environment. So here different cases are made. These are to be put on test with the agent, and once they are completed, a scorecard would be made which would tell the accuracy of the agent based on the test cases that we have put in. So as you can see, here is a live board where you could see the what the sandbox environment is actually doing. So here the environment has given a condition to the agent, and that's how the agent would reply, and the LM that we are using would like process it based on this scenario. So now we have our scorecard after these tests are completed. So this showcases our agent is 50% reliable. So these were the test cases that our agent failed. You could get a brief idea as well,
and that scenario that was made, you could see here.
So as you can see here, we have a self-healing AI. On clicking the generate security patch, our LLM would generate a secure prompt which would help the agent pass more test cases. So as you can see here, this is a new prompt which would be increased in security and would help the agent pass new and different test cases. Here you can also see an export CSV button. On clicking this, a CSV file would be downloaded and you could see the report in the CSV file at itself.
Now, I have a strong agent as well here. So let's take this. So this is a strong agent because we have put a lot of conditions and lot of regulations in this one. So these are the cases and the tools that were made by our LLM, and once the scenarios are generated, now we'll run the audit. And so as this agent is a strong one, I believe that this would not fail. So as you can see, our test cases are completed, and when we'll view the scorecards, you can see it's 100% reliable agent.
So as you can see here, here is a dual agent arena. Now here I am having a weak agent. Let me just take this agent and put it in the agent trade. And here I am having a strong agent. Let me just take this agent as well and put it in agent blue. Once we click on the fight, a shared environment would be made for both the agents to test on. So as you can see, we have the test cases that has been made by LLM on the agents. So as you can see, once our tests are completed, the agent thread is declared as 30% secure, while the agent blue is dedicated as 80% secure. Thank you.